Hello, I am Slama, the head of surgical division at Danah Medical Company. It has been an honor to participate in the Arab Association of Urology 2024 in Doha, a truly exceptional platform for collaboration and advancing the field of urology. Danah Medical Company, along with our international partners, contributed through both workshops and interactive showcase. These opportunities allows us to exchange experience, sharing knowledge, and align with the latest innovation for the urological care. Thanks to everyone, thanks to the people who organized this remarkable event. We look forward to contribute and to collaborate more into the future of urological care in Qatar and in the region. Thank you.